Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a clothing haul. So I did go on a bit of a shopping spree for my upcoming vacation, which is happening in about a month or so. I am heading over to Italy and I believe that it is going to be still quite warm over there. So I did go for a bit of a summer, autumn type of shopping spree. And I think that I found some amazing pieces, some at really great prices. So I really wanted to share my finds with you guys. As you guys know, with my clothes, I do generally go quite affordable, and most of these pieces are under 50 Australian dollars. Some of them are over 100, but in general I do go very affordable. So hopefully you'll enjoy these outfits and get some inspiration if you've got a vacation coming up as well, or they are great outfits for, you know, general just strolling around. And I've made sure that all of these pieces actually go with each other, so while I'm away I can take like a minimalistic wardrobe with me, so I don't have to carry over so many things with me, and they're all great pieces that can transition from day to night. And also I picked up something to take away on my holiday as well. I do think that this will be a great holiday item, very affordable considering it is from Hermes, so I'm going to unbox this guy towards the end of the video as well, so stay tuned for that. So without further ado, let's get started with my very first piece. Oh, before we get into the outfits, I did want to just mention one thing. My last video, which I've got an overwhelming response from you guys on my last video, which was unboxing of this beauty, which is the YSL mini camera bag. And I did mention in that video, it is the very best designer handbag under the price of $1,000. And I also found a coupon code that you can get 10% off with at one of the online luxury retailers. And a lot of you have been messaging me saying that the code isn't working for the US. So I actually found a specific link to the US version of the website with a US version of the 10% off coupon code as well. So I did edit my description section where the links are in that last video. So if you are interested in this bag and want to get 10% off and you're based in the US, then check the new links out. I think it is working now. But yeah, just wanted to mention that because I am in love with this new guy. But anyway, let's get into the outfits now. So the very first piece that I want to talk about is the top that I'm wearing. This top is from Faithful, the brand. It is a very comfortable crop top. I'm gonna stand up and show you how the waist sits. So yeah, as you can see, it is a crop top with this elasticated waist area, which makes this top really flaring on your body. So it does accentuate your waist and it doesn't sit up too high, so it is not too cropped. So I absolutely love that it is a really nice summery vacation-y crop top without showing too much skin. I can always pair it with high-waisted bottoms and really only show minimal amount of skin. I do love crop tops, but I just find a lot of them make me look really trashy, and I think, to be honest, I'm not 18 anymore. I can't really pull off that look anymore. So I love it when I find a good crop top that looks really flattering on my body that actually still keeps things looking elegant. So this I absolutely love, and it has these flowery prints, really fine prints. I really love Faithful, the brand, because they have a lot of these vacation appropriate summer outfits and they do a lot of dresses that are really flowy. Check Faithful, the brand. I'm gonna leave a link to everything that I show you today in the description box below, so check them out if you are interested in any of these outfits. But yeah, absolutely loving this top. The second item I picked up is also from Faithful, the brand, and I picked them up together. So it is none other than these beautiful linen pants in this gorgeous brown color. I intended to wear the top and these pants together, and it is in the wide-legged sort of culotte type style. And I've been forever looking for a linen culotte that looked really nice on, that are also very comfortable to wear, especially on a vacation. You just want to be comfortable. You don't want to be constantly adjusting yourself. So as soon as I tried on this top and these pants, I absolutely loved them. So I just picked them up both. Now this outfit is probably the most pricey out of all the ones that I'm going to show you today, but I just thought it was really worth it because linen is generally on the more expensive side in terms of materials, and this is 100% linen and the quality just seems really solid. So really happy with this. They look really nice together. This whole outfit will look really nice during the day when I'm sightseeing and touring around, but just as appropriate in the evening if I am going for a nice dinner. I can just chuck on some heels or wedge heels and a smaller bag and yeah, I'll be evening ready straight away. The next few pieces are actually from Cotton On. I think it is an Australian brand, but they do have a massive US market as well. So they actually have a US website as well, and they do amazing, affordable, trendy pieces. All of the items that I'm going to show you are like $20 or $30, and I think they're absolute bargains. So let me show you the very first item. So first up is this beautiful polka dot jumpsuit in this beautiful apricot color. How cute is this color and the white polka dots? It has the perfect v-neck line to elongate your torso. Also, it's got this amazing waist detail that is quite tight around the waist to really accentuate the narrowest part of your waist. And the bottom is just a jumpsuit in the culotte pant style. So it is really breezy and comfortable, and again, very easy transition from day to night because you can just wear some slippers during the day or even sneakers. And if you don't want to get changed and go out in the evening for a really nice dinner or something, you can just chuck on some heels again and carry a clutch or a small evening bag. And I think this will make for a really, really nice evening outfit as well. The other thing that I absolutely love about this particular piece is that, as you guys know, I do absolutely love my Chanel classic bag in the beige clair color. And that color is sometimes really tricky to match with outfits because it has a lot of yellow undertone. So whenever I see an outfit that might work with that bag, I just have to pick it up. And this particular color goes so well with that beige clair bag that I'll insert a shot of me wearing them together. But yeah, that was the other reason that made me buy this one. And obviously, I'm not just gonna wear these on my vacation. I'm also going to wear them a lot when I come back to Australia because we will be heading into summer in October. So I can already see myself wearing this so much for the coming summer and on my vacation as well. Next up from Cotton On are two things. So they're the same style, but I picked them up in two different colors. So they're just very plain ribbed t-shirt dresses. I got one in the black, and I also picked one up in that taupey beige color. How nice is this color? Again, I think this color will work so well with my beige clair Chanel flat bag, so I just had to pick it up in this color as well. But the ribbed style is my favorite type of material in these clingy t-shirt dresses. First of all, this ribbed material never ever creases, so you never have to worry about ironing when you're away on a holiday because it's already got so many lines that you don't really see any creases, and they're usually very figure hugging, which means by the time you put it on, there's going to be a bit of a stretch to the material. So whatever crease that it has will just stretch out. The third and best of all these fine vertical lines really slim you down. So whenever I find a good t-shirt dress with that ribbed material, I get all the colors that I like. And again, great transitional piece from day to night, especially with the black one, because the black one is extra slimming, but it especially transitions well into the evening. I mean, these were only 29 Australian dollars, I think, from memory, but you can wear any heels, any bag, and in the evening, you can look really glam with just a t-shirt dress. So absolutely recommend these ribbed t-shirt dresses on a holiday, or, you know, just general summer dressing if you want something really easy and nice for day to night transition. And then the last piece from Cotton On is these pants. I don't even know the style of these pants, but they're pretty much those paper bag styles where the waist is kind of tight, and then around the hips and thighs it is really relaxed, and then down the bottom it just comes together again. So around the ankle it kind of comes narrower again. I just really wanted to find a pair of pants that will be really comfortable for sightseeing and just walking around, and I was looking for a style like this. And often when you put one of these styles on, they're very unflattering. So sometimes they just make you look like you just pooped in your pants and the butt bit just sags, and they're just all sorts of unflattering. But this particular pair, when I put them on, they made me look quite acceptable and so comfortable to move in, so lightweight. So yeah, I am so happy to have picked it up. And as I mentioned, everything that I bought will work with each other really well. So, you know, with this top that I'm wearing, I don't necessarily have to pair this one with the brown culottes that I showed you at the beginning. I think these two will go perfect as well because this is high-waisted, which means I won't have to show too much skin for reasons mentioned at the beginning. And also because this top has these green bits to the print, they work really well together as well. So that is one of my biggest tips to you guys. If you are trying to get some outfits together for a holiday, just make sure all the pieces mix and match beautifully together. And my last stop on this shopping spree was Glassons. So Glassons is also a very affordable brand. They are a New Zealand based brand, but they're massive here in Australia, and they also do international shipping. They do some amazing trendy pieces, again, at very, very affordable prices. So some of the outfits that I get the most questions about on my Instagram are actually from this brand, and I just really love their styles. So the first thing that I picked up from Glassons is this beautiful short-sleeved blouse. How beautiful is this material and the pattern? It is slightly see-through, but if you just have a nude bra underneath, it won't show. I tried it. And look at these beautiful sleeve details. It's just got this extra frill bit, which makes it extra girly and whimsical. And the back is so cute as well. So it's just got that little button closure around the neck. And yeah, just a very, very cute piece that will work in so many different outfits. And this will be so easy to wear all summer long, or even in fall or spring. You can just chuck a blazer over it to make it a little bit more dressy, because it is a blouse rather than just a t-shirt. I just think it is gorgeous. You can just wear this with some jeans, a denim skirt, and yeah, anything. You can just pair this with anything. I think it's such a good basic blouse that can work with so many different items in your wardrobe. Next up is this really cute printed frilled mini skirt from Glassons as well. And how comfortable does this look? I mean, you know, it's got an elasticated waist. On vacations, I tend to eat a lot, and especially going to Italy, I know I'm gonna be eating a lot of pasta and pizza and anything carby, so I just want to be comfortable in my clothes. And what better item than, you know, something like this with the elasticated waist? I mean, I can eat whatever I want. It's got such a cute print to it. It's got some khaki through it, some red and some blue, so it'll be so easy to match with any top and any bag, any shoes, and it will work with so many different outfits. Once again, versatility is key here, and that's what I go for. Yeah, but how cute is this? Again, depending on what top you put on top of it, you can make it super casual for daytime, but you can dress it up with like a silk singlet top. So I am absolutely in love with this item as well. Next up, I picked up some mum jeans from Glassons as well. I am addicted to jeans. I've got so many pairs of jeans, but a lot of them are actually skinny jeans. I do have some relaxed fit jeans, but not too many pairs. And I am very picky when it comes to relaxed pairs such as mum jeans or boyfriend jeans, because they're often not very flattering, because I am not the tallest person and my legs aren't very long. So sometimes they can make me look really short and stubby. But this pair, when I tried on, looked quite flattering on, and I absolutely love the denim wash. It is the perfect casual wash, and it is that true sort of blue color without any yellowish or, you know, vintage colors to it. It's just a very clean color with the white and just that true pale blue denim, which will make it really easy for me to pair with different tops. And I just love the amount of distressing. It's not too much, but it's got enough to make for a bit of an interesting pair. So I'm really looking forward to, again, being comfortable on my vacation. And then the last two items are just some boyfriend tees. I picked up two different colors. One is this beautiful khaki color, and the other one is a plain white color. Now, I absolutely love relaxed boyfriend fit tees, but again, some of them just make your shoulders look massive and makes you really look like a boy. This particular style didn't do that, so that's what immediately sold me to these t-shirts. And I think it is because around neck it's a little bit wider, so it's not up here, but the cut is around here. So I think that is why it doesn't make your shoulders look massive, and that's why I picked up both colors. I think it comes in a black and gray as well, but I do have a lot of black tops and gray tops, so I just thought I'd pick up a different color. And again, I wanted to make sure all the colors went together, so you can see that, you know, I'm going for like a white and khaki and some blue theme here. So yeah, again, a very good find, and they are 2 for $30, so loving that price point as well. So they're all the clothes that I bought on this vacation shopping haul, and now that brings us to the unboxing of whatever is inside of this orange bag. I saw this on Instagram and just thought to myself that is going to be such a good item for a summer vacation because it will be so carefree. And when I saw the price point, I just thought that was a very good price point. So here is the receipt. I will tell you the price in a minute. So here it is in a very beautiful orange box. As always, you can probably take a guess what sort of item is inside. So now let us get into the box so we can all have a look at what I picked up for this Italian vacation coming up soon. As you can see, they are a pair of shoes, of course. Next to handbags, shoes are my obsession. And again, all Hermes shoes come in separate dust bags for each pair. And to show you what I got, let me undo all of these wrappings so you can actually see what I got. So take two. Let me show you what I got. I got the ribage sandals. I hope that I pronounced it correctly. But anyway, so these are the jelly sandals from Hermes. How cute is this? Let me get the other pair so I can show you both pairs. So here they are. They are my brand new jelly sandals from Hermes, and when I saw them on Instagram, I just thought they are so cute. They retail for 405 Australian dollars, which I know is ridiculous for some rubber, but when I tried them on, they're actually very flexible and comfortable. I have owned many jelly sandals before from other brands that are much cheaper, but a lot of the times they are great for the carefree factor, but they're generally very hard, stiff and uncomfortable. But these are made so comfortably. They're very flexible, so when I was walking around the store, they were so easy to walk in, and I just love all of the details. So if you have a look there, it's got those classic Hermes links. I don't know what they're actually called, but you see those links a lot on their fine jewelry and on a lot of their scarf designs, and it is a very classic Hermes sort of design. So I love the fact that it doesn't say H, or it doesn't have any obvious Hermes branding anywhere, but anyone who knows Hermes will know that these are from them and appreciate the design. I did think about taking my black orange sandals away with me, but I did want a pair that was really nice that I can go into water with, walk along the beach with, and all of that. So I just had to add this one. Now, from what my sales associate told me, they only have the black at the moment, but I think they did some other colors in the past. But I just think that black works with everything, so I'm really happy with this. So I'll probably take this and maybe my tan orange sandals on my holiday. So if walking around the city, I can always wear my orange sandals, and if I worry that I'm gonna go somewhere with water or anything, I can just chuck these on. So I am so happy to have added this pair as well. So speaking of shoes, if you are as obsessed about designer shoes as I am, I do have a whole video talking about my top 5 pairs to start a collection with. So if you haven't watched that already, I'll leave a link to it right here. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys!